Whoa!
Water slide? Whoa, I'm getting cold. Whoa.
Ready? Get up.
She's braver than last year.
Oh yeah. We got a nice little sled going here. Alright, you want to see Daddy go real fast?
Yeah.
Go on the steps.
Well, she's
Here
just
I
getting out of the
go.
way. Here she comes.
Okay.
Go. You could go on your tummy? You're so brave. You're such a big girl.
Go on your tummy.
And Mommy's freezing.
Yay, that was great.
Whoa.
Wow, Bye.
Oh my gosh, what a nut. Mommy's proud of you.
Bye.
Alright, I'm stopping this now. I'm cold. My toes are going to fall off.